Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure printer setup on Windows 11 with HP Smart Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your HP printer is set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Windows 11 computer. Open the Microsoft Store on your computer. In the search bar, type HP Smart and press enter. Locate the HP Smart app in the search results and click on it. Select the install button to download and install the app. Once installed, click Launch to open HP Smart. When the app opens, you may be prompted to sign in or create an HP account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in or account creation process. Once logged in, click on the Add Printer option. The app will search for printers connected to your network. Select your HP printer from the list of detected devices. Follow the prompts to connect the printer to the HP Smart app. You may need to confirm the printer connection by following the instructions displayed on the app. After your printer is connected, you will see its status and options for printing, scanning, and managing settings. To print a test page, click on the Print option and select a document or image. Adjust any print settings as needed before confirming the print job. For additional features, explore the options available in the HP Smart app for scanning and managing your printer. Now you have successfully configured your printer setup on Windows 11 using HP Smart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.